more for every bed I ever slept on. Catch less Z's, more F-bombs. Fuck. Invaders from the north brought a body in the trunk and 4 cold eyes, ushering a Jonestown blood. 2 known, 2 dumbstruck. Plain clothes, sputter in a strange home, spine chilly cluster to unfuck. Sup, Austin, I know a little magic. No check bag, show up with the most baggage. Fresh hell, dragging old hell up from hold rabbits who mangle emotion and gross patterns. No carrots, only rumors of a bridge that flicker with black scallops and float pine out a bathtub of crass maggots. 1.5 million, a number undermining how they duck and dive different. I was waiting for an hour and I maybe saw 6. Some thought it was a bust, I thought it was the shit.
I watched the videos and hung out with his friends. I hugged his mama and it's clear to me this kid's the Minnesota Dalai Lama. And a llama twists his tongue to create a perfect rhyme with her freestyled or preconceived. It spits that shit out at your mind, and your mind's rind peels back, revealing every dead friend on the back of a little black bat. So you stand and you wait at the top of the bridge. Only 6 fly out, then return to where they hid. So you wait and you wait, and you never wanna leave. Cause 1.5 million bats is what you need to see to grieve. 1.5 million bats is what you think you need, but 6 is enough to receive a little piece. Cause every little bit counts in times of death and disorder. You look for shooting stars in the reflection of the water, and you open the gifts that you didn't expect on the birthdays of the dead friends that are stuck in your head. Like love and hugs and songs and rage and the keys that you needed to unlock your heart's cage. The ability to put the pen back to the page, the heat beneath your feet to propel you on stage. The beat that completes your shit these days. Yeah, the beat that completes your shit these days.
Coast from a reoccurring force field, pickling his demons with a prematurely door-nailed. Never played taps on a short scale, played dream wars with coffins and chalkboard nails. Sore thumb, AO played a corner of the salt lick. KO said up people you are meeting know what loss is. 20 and I'm on a patio with forceps, wig split, sorting what amount to little warheads. Gotta stop. Tell me about your homie. The quote that would open a can of bogeys in the form of stolen Roman candle stories and wild youth clipped from a tether. Plus my alive friends are even deader.
There's a little folk singer who has run out of chords, like a big bad lion who has lost its roar, coming in like a lamb chop, out like a lion shame. I got Gunther Gable Williams trying to tame my brain with a flick of the wrist and a crack of the whip. I said if that's all you got, you ain't got shit. Cause for free birds like me the possibilities are endless. Try to put me in a box, I will be relentless in my pursuit of lots of different kinds of things. You can clip my toenails, but you can't clip my wings.
I will bring him to the bridge. If the colony is hiding, we will lift him on the 6th. Knife in the road, scalp in his mitten. Glass house, decal a Calvin, piss on a proud bougie at a foul cow, zip cow system. Triple crown clip, never trickle down breadcrumbs. Goofus over gallon, mill about head shrunk. Thread a symphony of krillin, killer clown, red rum, wretch. If you ever woke up feeling future-proof, precious brothers in effect and rooting for the future you. Speaking of the future us, Twin City morning, broke a wiper on a rental, trying to grin away the gory. Wait, new game, smuggle bats on a plane. Wait, newer game, tie the whole bridge to his frame. I will drag these bricks over Lake and Law, shake 1.5 out over St. Paul. Just knowing poetry and mathematics get involved, any total and a quarter more a draw. Don't count shit. curse on her leathery wings. He thought them devil horns up, yelling heavenly things.
See, I started this life as a nasty buckwheat flapjack, flipping on the shiny white backs of the brat pack. A princess, a jock, a brain, a freak. Now I'm a fucking rebel, I'm a little of each, and I'm not ashamed of all the different parts of me. And I like cross-pollinating the communities, because divided we're cool, but together we conquer, like monsters and grouches and humans and honkers. If you're close to my age, then you were raised on the street with a lick of me, fun dip in front of your TV. And our generation's gotta do it differently, cause we got new ideas and new abilities. Is that an old-fashioned funeral? Ew, change the station, I'd rather tune in for a life celebration. Say goodbye with dance parties and say goodbye with shows, cause that somber ass shit's not the way I wanna go. Put your hands in the air, feel your dead friend's presence. Wrap and unwrap, have no resentments. With our hoods on our heads, we are up on the bridge, and we're summoning the bats so we can live with our hoods on our heads. We are up on the bridge, and we're summoning the bats so we can live.